Okay. So there's boxes all up there from all the things that I bought for the house, and there's all sorts of rubbish going on. And I put some food into like clear containers, and where I found a mouse in here before, like only yesterday, so I put the lids on them, on these boxes, the ones that didn't have the lids on them. And I'm just gonna clean this all up because I did some spring cleaning in the house and I ended up putting everything into the storage unit. So look, it usually is a little bit tidier than this, but I've just taken down the boxes, these boxes down here, and I've just put them on the ground so I can actually get rid of them. So yeah. this is the end result. Right, that chair, like I said, like that chair there, is, I can get on it and I can grab all my stuff. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pull out a stool or something, right? And then I can also sit on it where I can actually, like, there's soil there and a box with, like, waterproof lining. And I've got my shovel in there and stuff like that. I can pot plants, and I can put this side with the plastic container to put my plants in, and also I can put my plants in there as well. But that I can sit on this as well. So this sort of acts as a ladder, as well as like a step ladder, as well as, like, you know, like a chair. And then, yeah, it's a really small space. But then I've got my vacuum here. Then I've got, like, bed linen there. I've got some old boxes and whatever. I think there's some boxes, and that's cleaning stuff. Then you've got, like, broomsticks and old, you know, stuff. You know, like you've got rugs, and there's portable chair there. And there's another chair there, and so forth. But that's what it is. That's it. And it's pretty tidy now. Like, it's pretty in place. I've also, like, labelled these containers so that I know what's in them. But I can sort of see through the containers as well, which is great, with the clear ones. Yeah. So up here I've got, like, like old furniture pieces that I've taken apart. Luggage, boxes. I've got, like, condiments and sauces and what have you not. Pots for my gardening, cleaning utensils and detergents and whatever else for cleaning. Then you've got paperwork. Then you've got all this here is food and all that. And then down the bottom is more like bathroom stuff, cords and crap like that. And then you've got toilet paper here. And then you've got some bits and bobs at the bottom, some boxes down there. And then you've got, you know, there's an old mirror, a new mirror that I haven't put up. Some other bits and pieces like a mop and dry mop and all that sort of stuff. And my vacuums here. And that's the sheet and bedding and some old boxes. And I've got a bin that I don't use anymore, but that's handy because I can put this on top, and that's got my tools, and it's got, like, batteries and crap in there, and stationery and things that I probably need, like, once in a while. But the bin acts as, like, I don't know, like a little shelf, I guess. And then that little bin there that is not being used, but I can put a pot plant there. While I wait, you know, and while I'm doing my potting. And that's basically the storage space. It's tiny. It's probably like about a 3 by 1.5, something like that. Yeah, there you have it. Woohoo!